All right, today is Tuesday. Don't forget, Mr. Board is with you this week, and next week it'll be Miss Emily. Okay, we're going to start with rhyme recognition. I'll say the word, you repeat it. Give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't rhyme. Put foot. I hope you gave me a thumbs up. Put foot rhyme. Spot not. Thumbs up again, spot not rhyme. Dance chance. Thumbs up again, 3 times in a row. Walk hop. Walk hop don't rhyme. Can 3. No, can and 3 don't rhyme. Okay, we're doing onset fluency. I'll say the 2 words and the sound that they both start with, and then you repeat the 2 words and the sound that they start with. Tea time t. It's igloo it. Gone give ga. Upset usher both bite butt. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes together. I'll do it first, and then you repeat after me. It's like the copying game. Okay, I, my. A, say. D, do. W, a, way. K, e, key. All right, great job. Next, we're going to isolate final sounds. That means we're going to punch out that last sound, okay? I'll do it first, you copy me. Take. Off. Soup. Gone. Less. Okay, good job. Okay, we're segmenting. That means you need your choppers out. I'll say it, chop it, and then I'll present it to you to say it, and then you chop it. C, S, E. Boo, ba, oo. Me, e. No, o. Pie, p, I. All right, great job. We're going to add phonemes. I'm going to put out the ending phoneme. We'll add the beginning phoneme, and we'll blend it together. We're starting with A. Add to the beginning to make may. We're starting with E. Add wa to the beginning to make we. We're starting with I. Add t to the beginning to make tie. We're starting with O. Add s to the beginning to make so. We're starting with oo. Add z to the beginning to make zoo. Good. Now we're going to delete part of our word. We're deleting the beginning sound. We're starting with the word zoo. Take away z. What's left? Oo. We're starting with the word way. Take away wa. What's left? A. We're starting with the word B. Take B away. What's left? E. We're starting with the word high. Take away H. What's left? I. We're starting with the word low. Take away O. What's left? O. Very good. Okay, now we are substituting. That's when I take away a sound and switch it with a new sound, okay? We're starting with the word cat. Change K to H, and we have H at hat. We have the word hat. Change H to B, and the word is bat. We have the word bat. Change B to and the word is rat. I just realized we're doing the one from Monday. We're going to switch it up here. We have the word nap. Change N to S, and the word is sap. We have the word sap. Change S to T, and the word is tap, tap. We have the word tap. Change T to Z, and the word is zap. All right, great job. Remember, we have that new nursery rhyme this week. So the first 3 lines are the same exact thing, but I'm still going to do it. I'll say it once. You repeat after me. Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on. And you're going to have to wait till tomorrow to find out what the next line is, okay? So we will see you tomorrow.